So, hey guys, today is Wednesday and I got a call from Bricks na nasira daw yung computer niya is hindi na-recognize yung isang RAM. O ang ma-recognize lang niya is we have the same RAM and his motherboard is Asus Phantom 4. So, I'm just going to troubleshoot and see if the problem is with the RAM or with the motherboard itself. Hopefully the problem is not with the motherboard because it's gonna be big trouble, and if it's just a RAM then he can probably just get a warranty for that RAM that he has. So I will take you with me today, and it's gonna be a content for my vlog. So I'll talk to you in a few minutes. So he first noticed that his computer would occasionally freeze. It doesn't give any error message or anything, it just freezes. When I did a remote access to his computer, I looked into the memory performance on the task manager and I noticed that it's only recognizing 8 gig of RAM instead of 16. And when I checked the module, there's only one RAM recognized. So I tried to look online if this is like a problem with the motherboard or with the RAM itself, and most people are suggesting that it's the RAM problem. So I took the RAM out of my computer because we have exactly the same RAM, and I'm gonna test this to his computer and let's see if this will work. And in that way, we would be able to isolate if the problem is with the RAM or the motherboard. So that's how you troubleshoot. First, you have to isolate the problem. Second, you have to check the actual hardware, and then third is to get a warranty if it's defective. Okay, so I'll talk to you in a little bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I just got a call from Bricks. Diyan na daw sila sa labas.
A few moments later.
Savior the imposter.
Tapos, ano na?
Malita ba?
Yes. So, therefore, we conclude that the problem is with B1 and B2. There's two slots right here. So this is A1 and A2. We just switch it there. And the problem is not with the RAM but with the slot on the motherboard. So the problem is fixed for now, but the motherboard needs to be warranted.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm back at my apartment. Yeah, na-resolve na mo tong issue. Na-identify na mo ang problem sa motherboard ni Bricks kay ang B na slot. Wala dyan mo work. So, I'm just checking my mail because so yeah. There's some mail here that's not for me. So I'm putting it. Okay. So, mabilis lang namin naayos ang computer. Actually, mabilis lang namin na-identify yung problem. Kaya, mabilis na ayos. At saka, meron akong dalang food galing sa kanila Bricks. Luto ng mama ni Marjo. Back at my house, apartment, and it's time to play online games again. So, lesson learned for today. If your computer's RAM is not recognized, try to put it in a different slot and then test one by one just to isolate and identify the problem if it's with the motherboard or RAM. And once you identify the problem, you should be able to figure out what to do next. In Brick's case, since his motherboard is still like months old, then that definitely would still be covered under warranty. So by Asus. I think that's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna end the vlog for now, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, and I'll talk to you or see you in my next vlog. Bye.
You
lifted me up, you sailed me away.